Today we are going to see in static route without any using any dynamic protocol like HSRP, VRRP, without using any dynamic protocol, how to switch the traffic from primary to secondary if any link is get fail. So today that's concept we are going to see. So we'll go to this video. So I'm just going to explain the topology before going into this technical things. So we are just taking the assume like this is the office. So this office we have one router. This router we configured as the static IP address, and this router is this interface is configured as 10.series IP. This is 20.series. This is 30.series. So in this office, just assume we have this office users are using one application. That application is hosted into the cloud. So the cloud application IP address is 100.100.100.1. So this IP address application, this office users want to access in 24 bar 7 without any delay. Okay, even if primary ISP is get down also, they don't want to lose any connection. They have to use this application using the secondary link. So that we how do we fulfill this requirement without using any protocol, and we have to use it into the um, static route. So I'm just going to explain. So we have one office, so that the office is connected with the one PC, and we have two link. Just for example, I'm just taking this primary link is Airtel, secondary link is Geo, and that application is hosted into the cloud, and the cloud to ISP is connected into each other. Okay, so I'm just before going to that, I'm just showing this IP address is 10.20.10.0.0.2 is the device IP address, and this is the gateway. The gateway is 10.0.0.0.1. Okay, I'm just showing this configuration. So how what I did means like I did not do any configuration. These all are the interface configuration. After that I just configured the static route. So static route, I just call out the IP address, which IP address we having. So that's this IP address, and this is the subnet mask. Because this is a single IP address, hence I just gave the subnet mask as 255.255.255.255, and this is the IP address, and this is the metric. So what is metrics, I will just tell you. So in this only we can able to manipulate the traffic. So before I will just show you before that I will just want to show you that the configuration here. So here also I just configured the interface, then I did the only the interface plus static route. Here also we did interface, we have configured the loopback interface is this application IP address, and we just configured this the static route. Okay, so just I will show you now. We just want to do the continuous ping here. So I'm just doing continuous ping. So ping hyphen t. So ping hyphen t means like if you want to do the continue ping, just type ping space hyphen t, then the IP address. So I'm just doing the IP. So this is reach, we are having the reachability to the application hosted into the cloud. So the application IP, I just made it here as the loopback IP address, both the IP address. So now I just show you into the simulation how the traffic is going. So the traffic is going via primary link Airtel. Okay. So and the reachability is going. Now just assume this primary link is getting down due to the any unexpected reason. So we will shut this interface. So the primary link is connected 2/0 into the serial interface. So I'm just going to configuration terminal interface serial 2/0 shut. Okay, after shut, what happened, this primary link will get affected, right? And if you see, this customer will not have any disruption. Without any disruption, they can able to access this application. So I will just hit, then I will just show you this one is, we will keep here. Okay, and I will just keep it here. I'm just showing the shutdown here. Once it is shut down, you just see. So this interface is shut. Okay, just look it into this. See, without any single packet disruption as well, the traffic is now switched over. So to confirm that, I'm just clicking into the again simulation. I'm just giving the captcha. Okay, now if you see where how the traffic is going, see, now the traffic is going via the secondary link. So without any millisecond in disruption, the traffic is switched over to the secondary link, and we have not configured any dynamic protocol such as HSRP, VRRP. So how it is possible without doing means like simple is metrics. So I will show you what is this. Okay, what is the metrics, how we can use it. So I'm just taking this as the example for you. I'm just taking copy. Okay, config T. Sorry, config T. I'm pasting here. Okay, just give question mark. Question mark is like distance metric of this route. So metric in the sense like nothing. So EHRP metric is like bandwidth plus delay, right? OSPF metric is bandwidth. RIP metric is hop count. So static we does not have anything. So how the static route will be deferred, which is the lowest metric that will be the preferable routes, which having the highest value that will consider as the secondary preferable route. So in this way we can choose for routing for IP route. For this one is the static route, it will be the primary route, because this is that does not have any metric. So which is the lowest metric that will consider as the best route, and this is will consider as the secondary route. So in this way only we are able to manipulate the traffic from primary to secondary. Now I will just um, understand no shut serial slash 2/0 no shut, and just see now. See, still if you see to this PC, go to this PC, uh, go to the command, see, without any disruption we are. So now I'm just showing into the again in the packet simulation. Now the traffic will forward to the primary link. See, now the traffic is forwarding to the primary link as usually. So I hope uh, this is very helpful to do the traffic switching into the static route without using any dynamic protocol such as HSRP, VRRP, and there is some possibility some technical panel will ask the question like how to do the traffic switching into the static route without using any HSRP, VRRP load balancing. I hope this video is very useful to understand how to do the load balancing into the static route without any load balancing protocol. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.